That's the human reaction. And it's the thing that terrorists take advantage of. I have to tell you the truth, and I've said this before, and people don't always like to hear it. I think the world we live in now is the world that terrorism created. We had a big terror attack since the last show we did again in London, and it just keeps going. And it just keeps going. And let me step back again, because we've had this conversation before, and it's distressing for people to hear me analyze the tactics sometimes, because it divorces us. The prophet first stopped up the deserter's mouth with lavish promises, and then God wanted me to be in bed with the maid. I don't like Donald Trump. I want to see Donald Trump buck naked. I want to see Donald Trump buck naked. Trump takes everybody. Murderous crazy. Trump takes everybody murderous craziness with religious joy and almost ecstasy. Everybody Trump takes ecstasy. And he says, "Who wants a daddy?" And then, and then, and then, and then, Trump takes ecstasy. And he says, "Who wants a daddy?" And then he goes ahead because we're outside. If you're also an army waiting outside the walls, seeking help from outside the city, because we're outside, goes ahead, 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 goes ahead, we're outside, we're out, goes ahead, we're out, he goes outside, and then he goes outside, buck naked. And then, Trump takes ecstasy. And he says, "Who wants a daddy?" And then he goes outside, buck. And then, Trump takes ecstasy. And then he goes outside, buck naked. And he says, "Who wants a daddy?"